Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. It is 8:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 8th, 2024. Cheers. Okay, dollar yen, we have for the day, we have support at 147.24. The marketplace kind of almost came down and touched it, and then it quickly kind of reversed back up. We need to get through 148.17 to start showing some strength. The first pivot level today is, let's see. Hang on a second. Let's get rid of this drawing mode here. And where do we go down to? 35. I'd say really it's right around 60. Right around 60. 147.60 is like kind of the level it's got to hold in order to get up through this 148.17. Now this 148.17 was actually a level I calculated using the technique that I taught you guys in the video on Sunday, what I called super trend or something like that, you know, how to calculate, predict, how to unveiling the future, that type of thing. So that was like, go back and watch that video. I'll pin it here so you can check it out. It's a really good video to calculate like wave depth and a good way to calculate wave. I lost the word now. Sine wave, I don't know. It's wave depth, okay? So that's basically what it's about. All right, so we need to get above 148.17. We're going to have resistance at right around this. This is a 1 hour chart. You know, you got to look at this high bars close at 148.61. Then we got the all important level at 149, the figure resistance. The big pivot is 149.45. If we can get above this, close above it, the queen confirm, we're going back to the 150s. If for some strange, crazy reason we break 146.50, we're heading right to this low bars close right here at 146.11, and then we got 145 86. That's a lot for dollar yen to do today. I mean, it's been quiet. That's the only reason why I say it, and I don't even know why I say it, because this is Forex and anything can happen. So let's move on over to good old sterling dollar. All right, sterling dollar beginning to start to show some recovery from this low point. We had support at 130.40. Couldn't quite make it. We made the low of 130.60. It really does need to get over 131.11, and then it has resistance at like 131.70. I'll put that one up here. I'll go actually this high hours close right there, 131.69. Wow, that's pretty good. Is the first level of resistance. If it could break through that, queen confirm 132.20. And then we got the good old 133 level up top. Sterling has been really lackluster. I'm glad to see it's starting to pick up. That's going to affect sterling yen. Sterling yen we're going to get into next. So hang on one second. All right, sterling yen, we had a support at this level here, 192.28. You know, it didn't come like it didn't. Where'd it go down to? 192.88. So, you know, it's, you know, people that use Fibonacci levels would consider that a complete hit and win, you know. So I should say it's kind of a hit and win, you know. It's only 50, 60 points away. So, I mean, it's not so bad. So what it needs to do today, it needs to climb above 194.20. If it can climb above, let me see. Well, I'm going to go a little bit higher. I think it needs to climb above 194.42. I had that level yesterday. I'm going to hold that level. I believe that's a good level. Needs to break 194.42. Then it could show strength up to, there's definitely internal points. Let me get some points. All right, I got to add a point here. I got a slight resistance right at 194.16. So Let's write that down. Let me put it down here. 194. Fine. 194.16 is slight. You see how it channeled here? 194.16 is slight resistance. If it breaks through here, it's got to get through 194.45. And then we got 190. Wow. 195. 195.35. 195.35. So let's get a level up there. 195.40. Close enough. Okay, so here we are in sterling yen right now. We got support, a solid support, 192.31 as of now. 193.50 is the level that it really needs to hold above. It's got a light resistance at 194.15. It breaks that, gets above 194.44. We're heading towards 195.40. There we are in sterling yen for the day. So let's go on over to euro yen. All right. We got a slight resistance in euro yen right here at 162.52. It's just playing around with it. It's broken a couple of times. Main support is 161.72. If we can, let's see where we are here. Let me get a ray. We need to stay above like 162.40, 162.35. 162.35. You know, that's fine. That's close enough. We need to stay above this level right now in order to start moving higher to get up to 160, say 3. Like, I would go like to this bar's close right here, 163.18. Then we got the 163.50 right behind it. If we break 163.50, we're looking at 164.25. So it needs to hold. Right now, the pivot point's 162, say 35, 40, 30 to 40, like that. If it breaks below 161.75, we're going back down to this low bar's close, 161.15. If it breaks that, we're looking at 160, like 160.80 level. That's just, you know, I have to throw all these levels up for you guys because it is Forex and anything can happen at any time. It's just a wonderful place to be. So anyway, if you like what you see, please smash the like button. Leave some comments. Tell me what you'd like me to discuss. And also head on over to Park Avenue Trading. Get yourself a free ebook. You're not going to regret it. And also enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.